Apple has recently announced their iPhone 17 lineup that includes the iPhone 17 Pro Max, which is a great phone overall. But is it waterproof? In short answer, no, it isn't waterproof, but rather it is water resistant, and there is a distinct difference between them. But then it does have IP68 rating, you might say. So what does that actually mean? Well, let me tell you. So water resistance is something that is explained by this IP68 rating or IP ratings overall. And it actually shows that the device's protection, the enclosure protection against solid particles and even water. In this case, the first number is 6, which shows the protection against solid particles. That is also the best rating. And that means the device, in this case the iPhone 17 Pro Max, is completely dust-proof. So unless we repair it by ourselves or break the seal somehow, there is no way dust can enter inside the device and damage any components. And then there is the second number, in this case 8. That means the device can resist water up to a depth of 1.5 meters but for 30 minutes. And that's the default one, that's the minimum. In the case of Apple, that is 6 meters for 30 minutes. That is the best in the industry. So the Apple's most expensive model, the iPhone 17 Pro Max, is not going to get affected by water immersion up to a depth of 6 meters for 30 minutes. But then I'm only talking about the fresh water here. And the test also has been done inside laboratory. So the real life scenarios will always be different. But if you are thinking about the chemical water or salt water or seawater or even hot beverages, then those things can actually damage the component inside the phone. And they won't be covered under the warranty generally. So in simple answer, you can do light shower with it, you can take it to a swimming pool, but you can't go diving with it. Rain is fine, but you shouldn't swim with it. And on top of everything else, these IP ratings and everything is only good for a few years when the phone is almost new. It's over the years of wear and tear, the seal will also get damaged, and there is a good chance your phone will be affected by the water immersion or even dust. So yeah, that's totally the IP68 rating for the Apple's iPhone 17 Pro Max.
And yes, if you want, you can get some crazy cool wallpapers up on my website, a link down below. Until the next one, bye and take care.